Hi friends, now I am showing how to extract or how to prepare class-wise mark list after conducting a test paper using Google Form. First of all, open the Google Form that you used for conducting the examination. Then you can see here two tabs, questions and responses. So you go to the responses tab. There you can see how many students attended the exam, and I think all of you stopped accepting responses. Okay, then the first step is we want to download the mark list, that is the responses. So click on this view responses button, this green color button, just click over there. Then you can see all the details, like at what time they submitted and their email address, their score, the name they typed, their class and division, and each questions 1 2 3 etc., and what answer each student. So answer given for one question, you can see here first question, second question, third question. So one row there you can see the complete answers of one student, second row answers of the second student. But for preparing the mark list we need only these three columns. What are they? Score, name, class and division. Anyhow, you need to download the Excel file. We need to download this file. For that, click on the file menu. There you can see download option. From there you choose Microsoft Excel. Just click over there. You can see the file is downloaded. After downloading finished, just click on this button, this up arrow button. Then you can see a few options here. From there you choose show in folder. This is the file downloaded. So 5th standard test paper 1 lesson 1, this is the title given for the question paper, so this will be displayed. Okay, then just open that file. Just open the file, and it may be in protected view. You need to just enable editing, then only all the options will be available. Okay, now we need only these three columns: score, name and class and division. So click on that score at the top. Do not click over here, just click on the column heading, that is C. Click on C, then press and drag in the same row, C, D, E. Okay, these are the three columns we required for preparing the mark list. After selecting like this, go to clipboard. There you can see copy option. Click on copy. Then we need to add a new sheet for pasting this. At the bottom you can see a plus sign. Just click over there. Then in the first cell itself you can paste. Click on the first cell. By default it will be the first cell. Just paste. You can see all the data pasted here. Then first of all we want to change the position, that is first we need a name, then the score. So for that, first of all we need to insert a column between the name and division. Okay, for that you can keep this cell pointer here, class and division. Just click on class and division, then right click over there, or just click on this column heading. Just click on the column heading and right click on the column heading. There you can see insert option. So a new column will be inserted left side of this one. Okay, and this mark we want to place here. So mark is in the column A. Click on A, then go to cut, then click on here below C, the letter below C, then paste, cut and paste. Okay, and you can see the classes are not in order because the order is at what time they submitted. So we have to arrange in class wise order. For that, just click on the class. Just click on the class or anywhere in the class. Okay, just click on the class. Then you can see in the home tab itself, you can see sort and filter. Just click over there. There you can see sort A to Z ascending order. Just click over here. You can see that class wise order. Say 5A, then 5B, then 5C, then 5D. Okay. Now we want to separate. How to separate? First of all students from 5th A you need to select. 5A, scroll down. Okay, up to here, 5A. Then take cut and add a new sheet. Name it as 5A. How? Just right click on the sheet name and click on rename option and type 5A. Then press enter key. Then that you can paste here. On the next cell I am pasting. Okay, paste. Now you can see the column width. You cannot see the complete letters because there is not enough width for the column. So just double click on the separator, this line separate between B and C. You can see a separator line. At this place you just double click, then it will be this. Then you can see all the characters in each cell. Okay, and actually you need not to choose this 5A because this is 5A mark list. You can delete this, or you, while selecting data from this sheet, you need not to select this class. Do not include class and division. Okay, now it is 5A is ready. But here you can see that it is not in alphabetical order. Names are not in alphabetical order. So for that, just click over there. Again sort A to Z. Okay. Now it is alphabetical order. No. Kashinathan came first. Why? A is the first alphabet, no, first letter, no. So why this came at the top? Because here there is a space at the left side of Kashinathan. Okay. Just double click over there. Then click at the beginning and press backspace and delete and press enter. Okay, after that again sort A to Z. Now it is in alphabetical order. Okay, then you can give number also, serial number. Just type 1 and 2. Okay, after that select this 1 and 2 together and just double click on this right bottom corner. There you can see a square box. When you bring the mouse over there, it will be a plus sign. This is a cross sign, not this one. When you bring at the exact position, this corner, exact corner, you will get a dark plus sign. When it appear a plus sign, just double click. Then you can see it will be this. All the names are numbered. Remember that this is not the exact roll number, because if all students attend the exam, it may be their exact roll number. Otherwise, no. Then I am extracting 5B. For that, first of all going to that sheet, then choosing only 5B students. So I am not including that 5B because we need only the score. So 5B up to here. 5B. Again cut. After 5A we need one more class. Then click a plus, this plus sign to add a new sheet. Then place the cursor here and paste. Double click over here, and names are not in alphabetical order. Just click on the name and choose A to Z. Okay, if you need to give number, type 1, next line, next row 2, select both 1 and 2, double click when it appears as plus sign, and okay, it is numbered. So this is how you can prepare the mark list. If you need, you can give a heading, you can type here. If you need to insert more rows above it, suppose here you need your roll number. This is not roll number, serial number. Then next cell name, next cell score or marks. Okay, then you can give the heading. You need one more row above it. For that, just click on this row number 1, bring the mouse pointer here, it's an arrow mark, and right click in the same place that you can see insert option, just insert. This is how you can insert rows above any cells, above any row. Okay, then you can type school name, etc. So this is the mark. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Thank you.